Calculating an estimate of your benefit can help you keep your retirement planning goals in focus. This video will take you through step-by-step instructions in calculating an estimate of your vesting benefit. The vesting calculator calculates an estimate of your benefit according to the vesting formula, based on your account balance. This is the calculator to use if you intend to leave your SFERS employer before you qualify for a service retirement and have earned at least 5 years of credited service. To begin your estimate, log into the SFERS member portal. From your dashboard, select the Benefits Calculator tab located in the top menu bar. Select the Vesting Retirement Calculator for Miscellaneous members. Fill in each field as indicated. Select the membership benefit you wish to model in the drop-down menu. Most members belong to and will have the option to select only one membership group. Select your separation date. This is your last day of employment. Select today's date if you have already separated. Select your date of retirement. Click on a year, then a month, then a day in the drop-down calendar. Type in your usual hours worked in a year. This will depend on whether you are a part-time or a full-time employee. A typical full-time employee works 2,080 hours in a year. Type in your current hourly rate of pay. You can find this in the My Pay tab in the SF Employee Portal. Type in 0 if you have already separated. We have populated your age and credited service for you, according to our records. You will see that these fields adjust as you model different benefit scenarios. Click Calculate My Benefits to get an estimate of your vesting benefit. You may need to scroll down to see the answer. Make sure to use the benefits calculators often. Calculating an estimate of your benefit will help you keep your retirement planning goals in focus. And while you're here, visit the Resource Center to access information relevant to your plan and the retirement process, including videos, forms, your summary of plan provisions, a schedule of retirement webinars, and FAQs. And be sure to follow us for all of the latest announcements. We are always here to serve your retirement needs. If you're not able to find what you need on the SFERS website, contact us by email or phone. Our member services team is available to assist you. Working today for a secure tomorrow. Discover the benefits of SFERS.